So you might wonder, how is pickle made? Let's take a closer look at the intricate process behind pickle manufacturing. So let's talk about making pickles at home. Many people opt for home-based pickle making businesses, which can be a rewarding venture, blending your passion for cooking with entrepreneurial spirit. Here's a simplified guide to get you started. Research and planning. Identify market demand, plan your business structure and set a budget. Legal requirements, obtain necessary permits and ensure compliance with food safety regulations. Recipe development, create unique pickled recipes or adapt traditional ones with your twist. Source quality ingredients and invest in basic kitchen equipment. Production process, maintain cleanliness and follow standardized recipes for consistency and safety. Packaging and branding, choose attractive packaging and design labels that reflect your brand identity. Marketing and sales, utilize online platforms, farmers markets and local retailers to promote and sell your pickles. Customer service, provide excellent service, seek feedback and continuously improve your products to meet customer preferences. Now let's speak about large-scale pickle manufacturing units. What many people do is they start off as small home-based businesses and then they evolve into large-scale pickle manufacturing units, which is a safer option for most of the people who are just stepping into the food manufacturing business. Manufacturing pickles on a bulk scale involves a systematic process to ensure consistency, quality, and efficiency. Here's an overview of the typical steps involved in pickle manufacturing at a large-scale facility. Sourcing raw materials. The process begins with sourcing high-quality raw materials such as fruits, example mangoes, lemons, or vegetables like carrots, cauliflower, and spices, oils, vinegar, and salt. These ingredients are sourced from trusted suppliers to maintain consistency in flavor and quality. Preparation of ingredients. The fruits and vegetables are thoroughly cleaned, sorted, and prepared for processing. Depending on the type of pickle being made, they may be peeled, chopped, sliced, or diced to the desired size and shape. Brine preparation. In some pickle recipes, fruits or vegetables are soaked in brine solution to enhance the flavor and aid in preservation. The brine solution typically consists of water, salt, and sometimes vinegar or other flavoring agents. The concentration of the brine may vary depending on the recipe and desired taste profile. Seasoning and mixing. The prepared fruits or vegetables are mixed with a blend of spices, herbs, oils, and other flavorings. This mixture is often based on traditional recipes passed down through generations or developed by food technologists to meet customer preferences. Cooking or fermentation. Depending on the type of pickle being made, the mixture may undergo cooking or fermentation to develop flavors and aid in preservation. Some pickles like mango or lime pickles are traditionally fermented over some time to achieve the desired taste and texture. Packaging. Once the pickling process is complete, the pickles are packaged into jars, bottles, or other containers suitable for storage and distribution. Packaging material should be food safe and designed to preserve the freshness and flavor of the pickles. Labeling and sealing. Each jar or container is labeled with product information including ingredients, nutritional facts, manufacturing date, and expiry date. Automated machinery may be used to apply labels and seal the containers to ensure product integrity. Quality control. Throughout the manufacturing process, stringent quality control measures are implemented to monitor factors such as taste, texture, color, and microbial safety. Samples may be taken at various stages for laboratory analysis to ensure compliance with food safety standards and regulations. Storage and distribution. After the packaging and labeling process, pickles are carefully stored in temperature-controlled warehouses equipped with refrigeration or climate control systems. These facilities maintain the pickles at optimal temperature levels, ensuring their freshness and flavor are preserved throughout storage. Advanced inventory management systems track inventory levels and expiration dates and facilitate efficient order fulfillment, while regional distribution centers, strategically located across various territories, streamline the delivery process to retailers and wholesalers. During transportation, strict quality assurance measures are in place, utilizing temperature controlled vehicles or refrigerated containers to safeguard pickle integrity, especially for perishable varieties. Upon reaching retail outlets, manufacturers collaborate with the retailers to ensure proper merchandising and display, utilizing attractive packaging and promotional offers to entice consumers and drive sales.